Welcome to Lattes and Lattes, the podcast where we blend the world of law and business with a warm cup of information and common sense. I'm your host, Sidney Wheelan, attorney, real estate investor, and business owner. Each week, we'll be your go-to source for legal insights, business advice, and so much more. Whether you're a seasoned professional, an ambitious entrepreneur, or simply someone seeking guidance, we'll have you covered. From navigating the legal landscape to empowering you with valuable business strategies, we'll explore the legal side of life and enjoy a virtual latte along the way. So, grab your favorite latte, get comfortable, and let's dive into Lattes and Lattes. Welcome to Lattes and Lattes. This podcast is sponsored by the Wheelan law firm of Moberly, Missouri, your go-to source for legal issues encountered by your family and your business. I'm your host, Sidney Wheelan. Welcome to episode number 24 of Lattes and Lattes. During the last couple of episodes, we focused on the primary elections in Missouri and the importance of choosing your leaders wisely. Today, I want to get started with a series of shorter episodes devoted to leading your own businesses and families into the future. A future focused on intentionally setting up your business and your affairs so that you and the people you care most about are not only taken care of today, but also transition into the future securely and with the least amount of stress, anxiety, and cost when serious illness or death of a family member drastically alters life as we know it now. If you've listened to some of my previous episodes, you know that I'm a big fan of trust, particularly revocable trust. Today, I want to talk to you about why you should also think about your business as you're setting up your estate plan. As a precursor to this episode, if you're not familiar with limited liability companies, or LLCs for short, please go back and listen to episode 5 of this podcast, where we discuss the advantages of setting up your business as a limited liability company. But for today, I want to give you at least 7 reasons why your trust should own your LLC. First, let's think about estate planning efficiency. When a trust owns your LLC, you streamline estate planning by ensuring the LLC and its assets automatically pass to beneficiaries without the need for probate. 2, privacy. Trust ownership can offer a layer of privacy since the trust, rather than your name, appears in public records as the owner of the LLC. 3, continuity. Trust ownership ensures that the LLC continues to operate seamlessly in the event of your incapacity or death, as the trust's successor trustee or trustees can take over the business without interruption. 4, asset protection. Holding an LLC within a trust can add an extra layer of protection against creditors. Those protections differ with the type of trust and the specific provisions within your trust. So if that is a concern, please talk to your estate planning attorney about which type of trust is best for you. 5, centralized management. A trust simplifies the management of multiple LLCs or other assets by placing them under the control of a single entity, which is your trust, thus reducing complexity. 6, customized success planning. The trust allows for detailed and customized succession planning, ensuring that the LLC is managed and distributed according to your specific wishes. And finally, 7, flexibility. Trusts offer flexibility in structuring ownership, management, and distribution of your LLC, allowing you to tailor the trust to fit your specific goals and the needs for the LLC. All of these reasons can help to ensure that your LLC is managed and transferred according to your wishes, while also providing potential tax benefits and asset protection. Thank you for listening today. I hope that you take a little bit about what you have learned and decide today to take control of your business and your estate plan and lead your family and your business into the future, confidently and knowing that you have set up your affairs to function as you intended, even in the event of disability or death. If you have questions about anything we've talked about on this podcast, please reach out to me at wheelanlaw.com. I will also put our contact information in the show notes. And as a reminder, please like and subscribe to our podcast so you don't miss a single episode. If you enjoyed this episode, please also give us a 5-star review and share it with your friends and family. As always, my friends, grab a cup of coffee or your favorite latte, hold your loved ones tight, and have a great week.
This podcast episode contains general information for discussion purposes only. Each case is different and must be judged on its own merits. Missouri rules generally prohibit lawyers from advertising that they specialize in particular areas of the law. This show should not be construed to suggest such specialization. Nothing on this show should be taken as legal advice for any individual case or situation. This information is not intended to create an attorney-client relationship, and the listening or viewing of this podcast does not constitute an attorney-client relationship. The choice of a lawyer is an important decision and should not be based solely upon advertisements.